Hello, hello. This is day 5 of gate guarding. We're still really enjoying it. We guard these animals out here and make sure they don't get out whenever a truck comes in. We have to open and close this gate right here to make sure that they stay in. Really simple job, really muddy job. Not glamorous, it's a little dirty, but that's okay. We got a lot of rain yesterday, so everything's got a little bit of mud on it. As you can see, everything got kind of dirty yesterday. We still got our lake outside, out front out here. We're hoping to get a little bit of sun so things will start to dry up and our lake will go away. Not a glamorous job, but it pays really good. Helps if you don't have a couple of those. Every time they go out, we have to clean their feet with washcloths because they track in tons of mud. It gets up in their pads on their feet. That's my footprints all the way down the hall. And as I said, we got towels everywhere. We keep those there to clean the steps best we can. And I'm getting ready to clean the house. We clean it twice a day. I clean it once on my shift. Rob cleans it once on his. Just try to keep things clean. You got to really stay on top of it or else it'll get super dirty. I've got some rain boots ordered. Right now I have my ghetto boots. They work, so don't judge me. They're keeping me dry. But it'll be way better whenever I get my rain boots. That way I can just slip them on and off whenever people come in. Overall though, we're really loving it. It's totally worth it. It's like we're in Africa with all these animals out here. It's super cool. Alright, you guys have a good day. Talk to you later.